So how do you add in base 3? So you guys know the rules because it's really the kind of rules we've been following all along. And that is that we're never going to see 3 or higher, right? In base 3, you never see a 3 or higher. You're getting the hang of this. And instead, what do we do when we see 3 or higher? Instead, we carry 3. You always carry the base amount. You carry the base amount. So here we go. Let's do it. So starting here, 2 and 2 makes 4. So let me just do that. 2 and 2 makes 4. 2 and 2 makes 4. There we go. Okay. Now we can't have that 4, can we? Because what it says right here, you're never going to see a 3 or higher. So I can't have that. Can't do it. So what am I going to do? I'm going to cross that out, and I'm going to carry 1 to the next column. Good? Carry 1 to the next column. But when I carry 1 to the next column, that's what we do in our system as well. Realize, though, that you carried 3 actually, didn't you? Because this, remember, this is the 1's place and the 3's place, right? Remember the place values in base 3, that's the 1's place and the 3's place. So when you carried that 1 to the next column, you really carried 3, didn't you? Because that's how the place value system works. You really carried 3. So that means I need to subtract 3. I took 3 away. I carried away 3. So that only leaves 1 here, doesn't it? And then we go right back to adding again. Now we add these up. That makes 4 again, right? 1, 2, and 1 makes 4. And we're never going to see a 3 or higher. We're never going to see a 3 or higher. So we can't have that. So what are we going to do? We're going to carry 1 again to the next column. And that means we subtract 3 because we just carried away 3. Whenever you carry in base 3, you're carrying away 3. So that leaves 1 again. And then the last column, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. But we're never going to see 3 or higher. So can't have that. Carry 1 again. Subtract 3, because when you carry 1, you're carrying away 3. What does that leave? 0. And then the final column is just 1. 1011. That's our answer. 1011. And so there it is. That's how we add in base 3. We're never going to see a 3 or more. So whenever I saw a number like the 4, number that's 3 or higher, I have to carry 1 and subtract 3 because you really carried away 3. So there it is.